wall center for stab or E-tab. Go to structural, click wall center, select two object, press enter. Then go to more, layer isolate, shortcut command is ML. Select center point, press enter, then copy or move, then open, display all layer on and unlock. Then this all line, if required to join, go to structural, click rectangle RER, command name is RER, click here, then pick internal point, then press enter, and again go to layer isolate, select object, press enter, and again copy or move, layer or unlock, then explode all object, all lines will be exploded. Then command use overkill, press enter. For remove double object, select all plan, press enter, then select all, press OK. Then 12 object overlap line are deleted. Then explode all breakpoints, go to structural, click Stad single line, select object, press enter, then automatically will explode. Then go to tools, load application, click add, update file, update.fs or ZDL file. In AutoCAD, update.fs, and if ZWCAD, update.zdl. Add, load, OK. Then go to structural, click Stad single line, select object, press enter. Then all lines will be break.